France became the first European country to surpass 2 million coronavirus cases, according to a tally from Johns Hopkins University. French authorities say recent lockdown measures are having some success, though the pandemic is still far from over.
I think we should still remain prudent. We should not give the impression that the crisis is behind us. We are still in a serious situation in our country. Our health workers are still under extreme pressure in our hospitals.
Some residents saying they don't quite know what to do.
I don't think we know where we stand currently. The French are afraid. The French are struggling with COVID, and some are suffering from depression.
We call this a lockdown, but it seems to me people are outdoors, so it's not the right solution. For me, the real solution is to get everybody under lockdown, just as with the first lockdown. It's the only way to stop the pandemic.
Russia's coronavirus cases also exceeded the 2 million threshold this week. It has the world's fifth largest number of cases. Svetlana Zainalova, a doctor at a local hospital, says in the beginning the situation was manageable. Now it's a different story.
Now we admit quite a big number of patients almost every day. The numbers of cases are rising, so the hospital capacity and workload for medical workers are growing too. Patients come in great numbers now.
In Austria, Vienna residents enjoyed their last day out on Monday by doing last-minute shopping and sitting outside before a 3-week full lockdown came into force on Tuesday. The move is meant as a last effort to bring surging coronavirus cases under control and relieve the stress on the health service in time for retailers to reopen in the run-up to Christmas. In neighboring Germany, health officials say the coronavirus situation in the country is still very serious, even though infection numbers are not rising so fast.
The number of deaths is still very high.
Germany's disease control agency reported 22,609 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 on Thursday and 251 additional deaths. Decisions on further lockdown measures were postponed until next week. Mariama Diallo, VOA News.